How to enable or disable Telegram group notifications. You can enable or disable them from the settings without leaving any groups. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. From the bottom menu, tap the Settings icon. Now, tap Notifications to open your Telegram notification settings. Under the Notifications for Chat section, look for the Groups option. Tap on the toggle next to Groups to turn off group notifications. Once you turn it off, Telegram will stop sending notifications from all your groups. Your messages will still arrive normally, and you can open any group whenever you want to check new messages. If you want to start receiving group notifications again, simply return to the same settings and turn the Groups toggle back on. That's it. That's how you can enable and disable notifications from all groups on Telegram quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.